Bicycle race.
Fruit smoothies for everybody to celebrate my victory.
Uh-oh.
Oh, these smoothies don't look so smooth.
Oh, no. This isn't good.
Bad news, guys. The blenders are broken.
No, the power went off.
Phew, that's a relief.
Say, I wonder if it's off all over town.
We'd better head to the Playville power station. Play Rangers, it's teamwork time! Bumpy wheelie, front door! Let's go! Yep, come on! To the power station! Oh! Look at the ice cream factory! It's about to shut down!
It's melting.
No ice cream.
This is really serious! All the ice cream's gonna melt! 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 Ice cream! Ice cream!
Calm down, everybody. Look, here comes the mayor. Hello, Mr. Mayor.
Engineer Jake, on behalf of the citizens of Playville, I must insist that you turn the power station back on. Yes, thank you. We all have lots of important stuff to do.
That's the problem, Mr. Mayor. Everybody's using too much power at the same time.
Really? Is that possible?
It's possible, all right.
This sounds like a job for the Play Rangers.
Play Rangers on the scene!
Wow! They just get faster and faster.
Mr. Mayor, this is a dire emergency.
I know. My video game won't work.
See the ice cream factory, Mayor? It's in danger of shutdown. If we don't act fast, the ice cream will melt!
Can one of you help me fix the power station?
Glad to.
Terrific. But what do we do until the station is fixed?
Well, the power station has things called turbines that spin really fast, and we turn their energy into power.
Yeah? So?
So it might be possible to create a temporary source of energy.
Like me! I've got plenty of energy. Use me!
Unfortunately, that's not the kind of energy we can turn into electricity.
Huh?
You said the turbines in the station spin to create energy, right?
Me?
Okay, Bing Bing, you're all hooked up. Give it a spin.
Okie dokie, here I go.
It's working! Look at the ice cream factory! Yay!
What do you know? I'm making electricity.
But just not enough to keep the factory going.
How about enough for my video game? Ha, just kidding.
Maybe if I spin faster. Whoa! Here I go!
Uh-oh, he's losing it.
Bing Bing, slow down!
Whoa! Oh, okay. Oh no, I can't! Whoa!
We've got to stop him.
I think I know how! I got you, Bing Bing!
Thanks, Boing.
No problem! Looks like Bing Bing can't do it alone. We need to make more power. Oh, too bad Bing Bing is the only one who spins. Our bikes! Let's go! Faster!
Great idea, you guys.
And it's fun, too.
It's really working this time.
Ride, everybody! Ride! Yeah! Hey, everybody! Look over there! The ice cream factory's working again! Yay!
Thanks to the Play Rangers and Engineer Jake, the power is back on in Playville. But let's all learn a lesson from today's events and try to use less power so we don't run out again. Therefore, I proclaim today, be kind to your power station and turn off the power day. Remember, if you waste energy, you could lose ice cream.
Speaking of ice cream, now that the factory's working again, they're giving out free ice cream to celebrate.
That went well, I thought. Nice speech. I want some free ice cream too.